My name is Muhammet Enes Tünay. I am a freshman student at Bilkent University, and today I will present my Physics 101 project about the spring constant. In this experiment, I aimed to investigate the relationship between the force applied to a spring and the resulting extension. I also compared the spring constants of a single spring and two springs connected in series. For the setup, I used a rigid stand, a ruler, a spring, a hanger, and different weights. First, I attached the spring to the stand and measured its initial length without any weight. I gradually added weights to the spring and measured its new length after each addition. Each measurement was repeated multiple times to ensure accuracy. Here is the data I collected for the single spring. The table shows the original length, the extended length, the mass added, and the calculated extension. After completing the single spring measurements, I connected springs in series and repeated the same procedure. Here is the data for the series spring setup. Again, I recorded the initial and final lengths for each added mass and calculated the extensions. It can be easily seen that for the same amount of force, the extension was larger compared to the single spring, and it is matching the theoretical relation, and this is the formula. Some possible sources of error included. Despite these factors, the calculated spring constants were very close to the theoretical values, indicating that the experimental error was relatively small. This experiment successfully demonstrates Hooke's law and showed how connecting springs in series reduces the effective spring constant. This experiment helped me better understand the behavior of elastic materials and the importance of accurate measurements in physics experiments. Thank you for watching.